everyone, this is Rishi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notifications, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notifications. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walk-in jobs held in all over India. Today, here I am with the latest update of the AMCAT. AMCAT is back with one of the largest virtual job fair 2023 with the highest salary package of 20 lakh per annum. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. AMCAT has announced one of the largest virtual job fair 2023 with more better opportunities and better profiles than ever before. Candidates can apply to any positions which suitably matches their career goals. This portal will give access to more than 200 plus job vacancies, and the candidates can participate from the comfort of their home. It's an hassle-free application process. The candidates can apply through the application link which have been provided in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. The candidates have to apply before the deadline, which is 15th June 2023. The job fair will commence on 23rd June and will end on 25th June 2023. The highest salary packages in tech jobs is for full stack developer with 20 lakh per annum, and the location is Gurgaon. There are more tech jobs whose salary will be ranging from 4.2 lakh per annum to 10 lakh per annum. Few other tech jobs such as Flutter developer and software developer with a salary package of 4.2 lakh per annum are based in Noida. Some non-tech jobs for fresher candidates are Associate Sales Consultant, Machine Learning Engineer, Associate Sales Consultant SOS, Sales Development Associate with an average salary package of 4.6 lakh per annum. The jobs offering highest salary packages are Full Stack Developer 20 lakh per annum based in Gurgaon, React.js Developer based in Bangalore with 12 lakh, Software Development Engineer in Bangalore with 10 lakh per annum, Associate Sales Consultant in Gurgaon with 4.6 lakh per annum. The steps that the candidates have to follow are: firstly, they have to register themselves, then sit for AMCAT, then they have to apply for their jobs, appear for interviews, and then finally fly with their dream jobs. The top companies participating in this job fair are Titan, Accenture, Mindtree, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, and many more leading companies. The terms and conditions for the candidates are: only the candidates who have appeared for the AMCAT test and have received their scores are eligible to apply for the job fair. AMCAT takers whose AMCAT scores are still valid can also apply for the job fair. Participation in the job fair is open for all batches and all respective streams. AMCAT does not guarantee any kinds of interview calls or jobs. It completely depends on the candidate's performance and the listed company requirements. Pan-India freshers and experienced job seekers can apply for the tech as well as non-tech jobs. So hurry up and fill your application form as soon as possible and get enrolled in one of the largest virtual job fair 2023 powered by AMCAT. So I hope this video was useful to you. So thank you for watching. This is Rishi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notifications from all over India. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. So till then, see you.